Hello, this is Olivier. Well, a very brief video you'll be happy to hear. As my speech teacher used to say, friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. From Shakespeare. Shakespeare, once in a while, really does a lot of good to revisit if you have time. And the funny bit was, he said, I didn't say rears, I said ears. Right, funny. Okay, today my subject is Zen trading, very calm trading. Okay, in my constant quest to minimalize things, because 150 indicators on one page can drive you a little bit wacko. I don't know how one can trade like that, but I try and minimalize things. So this is one of my latest secrets. Little by little, I reveal them. I have plenty more, don't worry. Probably fill about another 10 years. Uh, this is something you might be very interested in what has happened. Now, if you followed my Twitter page and if you followed my comments, etc., you saw that on Sunday I radically, it's like that pilot rule. It feels right. I just said, no, this is impossible. You have the French president who is really pro-Europe. You have a little bit of trouble with Trump, but don't we always? And the euro, the dollar was actually going up. So this was not right. Then I get the COT report, the Commitment of Traders report, which I get on Saturdays and Sundays. You can see my previous videos. I suggest you all get it. I pay $1,000 a year to get that. It's government data, but it's not good to you unless somebody compiles it for you. And these people at Counting Pips, do it for you, and you get the email free every Saturday. And it's quite a good analysis because the theory is that retail, that's us, dumb money, is always wrong, and the what they call the speculators are actually big banks, hedge funds, the people that have the money that move things. You really want to be on their side. So last week, while people were, for some reason, selling euros after the election of Macron, I guess some short covering, I don't know what it was, but it was mainly retail. The institutions, I find Sunday, were buying like crazy. And what happens? So, and then we get a bullish black swan, which is my favorite pattern, and we get a butterfly on 1 month, okay, which is a very good pattern too. So I go, hey guys, time to switch on the trend module because I have a trend module on my EA, and that's what it's for. Okay, we're ranging, but we also need to get the trend component. Okay, BBNN does it better, but BBSO can also do it, and it's been quite successful this week. All you have to do is go true, and it uses Renko, and it's picked up some good trades. But what I wanted to show you is this indicator here, which is actually free on the internet, and so don't flood me with emails trying to get freebies because that's not what it's about here. I give a service, I give myself all out, but I'm not going to spend at my age, 15 days writing emails to people telling them where to get free indicators. So this is for people who are part of my group. They know who they are, or the people who bought my robots. I can help you set this up. Now, what is interesting here is I call it total Zen trading because if you relax, this thing's amazing. I mean, it's based on Renko, obviously, again, Renko. But what it does is calculate, you see here where it starts. There we go. This indicator here went above zero and has stayed above zero this whole time. This whole time, it has kept you even. This is what, a 15-minute chart? Even in the downs where people were tempted to go short in with their martingale systems and all that kind of stuff. This will stay. All you have to do is watch this. As long as this is positive, you can stay in the trade. And look at what a trade it got. I mean, this could make a year easily. And it's been a terrific trade for me. Enhancing my robots, of course, because at the same time, my robots, okay, have been doing quite well. And I'll show you what they've done. 1 second. Hello, okay, I'm back. So this is, yeah, this is what I want to show you. This is my robot, okay, and it's been amazing. What you can see here. Look at the trend. The trend filters came in page, and my Sunday comments. I just felt the wind coming. It just was last week. The dollar going up, euro down, when Macron, the sternest, fifth power in Europe, big European supporter, saves the euro. What do they do all week? They sell. Well, like it wasn't a huge volume. So then I get the COT report and the COT report commitment of traders, and I see that the smart money, because we are the dumb money, the theory, we're the retail people, we were the ones selling last week. Well, they were buying while retail was selling. They were buying. And what happens this week? You come in Monday, and boom, kaboom, no looking back. It's been 2 days endlessly up. I feel sorry for martingale bots and all that kind of stuff. I hope you're doing well. Anyway, this is the strength of BBSO, because here I have modules in there, and I said Sunday on my Twitter page, not enough of you have subscribed. If you don't go on Twitter, you're not going to get the info, because I'm not putting it on comments. I've been trolled enough. I had enough. Been there, done that. People want to reverse engineer my signals, my things. Signals are off. I know exactly who wants to buy my robot. From the first few minutes I speak to them, and it's usually we go on WhatsApp, etc. So don't give me these BS in comments. I know who you are. So if you want to see my performance, don't say there's no signal, nah. There is signals, there are signals. I show them, and I show trades every day. So that's not an excuse. You want to back test, you go to my original product, and you can back test 3 days all you like. Or you can get the instant one that can't be back tested and does it in a few seconds. But they'll get the same result, I guarantee you. I've been doing this for 30 years. And if you don't believe me, well, 80,000 people on YouTube believe me. So there you go. But I wanted to show you, okay, this is what's amazing. So the filter turns in here. So we probably got maybe a squeeze break if it was set properly. I got one. And obviously the Renko module, which I said on Sunday, switch on the 1 minute Renko module, would have done that. And if you did get a downward movement, a downward trend here, that's, depends on your broker. This is a true ECN broker, and you can see here there has been absolutely no movement. It's still waiting to short, okay? So we go back to my Zen. So we go back to my Zen program here. Here I am Sunday evening, and I look at this very quietly. You don't need CNBC, you don't need anything. Here, you can see this. This is a bunch of Renko boxes. Maybe I can put them up for you. It basically does an average of different sizes of Renko. Okay, I've put up the Renko boxes. Look, here they are, and you can set them. I set them from 10 to about 120, and you can see that each size Renko box is showing an upward move. That's just another thing. But it's summarized here. I mean, you can put 200 if you want. It's summarized here by when it goes zero, above zero, that's the zero line. Look, trade. You just stay in there. And you just stay in that trade. It's still in the trade. Amazing. So all you have to do is just put on, bark and put one lot there or something. And that's it. And that's what I did. And meantime, I have my bots, my neurons doing all sorts of little bits and pieces, enhancing my program. Now this I will give to anybody who is working with me at the moment, has contributed, has been correct, has not trolled me, has bought my robots. I will help you set this up. Okay? So good evening to you all.